Hi guys, today we are going to be celebrating the 4th of July by playing Fireworks Mania. Now, I've actually had this game for a little while, but I uninstalled because I've been playing like 2 years or so. But then I saw this at the 4th of July and then I was like, oh, it would be a nice idea to play this game for 4th of July, and yeah. I got like cakes and stuff. Chinese wall. Ooh, 2024, that's new. Spawn a static one. Wait a minute. Let me do something. If this works, I'm gonna be so happy. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. I just completely forgot my PC and so here you guys right now, Tim is actually saying in this game that can only be found in very specific areas. And this is why. Don't go.
Well, what did I do? I'm watching you.
I'm making a video.
Yeah, how does that change?
You can watch it on YouTube.
God, you're not gonna be so rude.
Is it still going? Oh. Oh. Okay. Yeah, we did get a good enough look. Here's 10 minutes. I'll explore without any lag. And also, if you guys didn't know, if you light, this is what happens when you light a firework inside your house. Remember, never do this inside of real life. You're gonna actually destroy your entire house. So I would not recommend doing it. Remember, never do this in real life. You're gonna end up possibly dying or destroying your house in the other end. Okay, I'm going to back away a lot just so I can show you what happens when you set off a firework in your house. Look, the fuse is still going, and this is the ordinary house, right? You see that little nozzle? It's going and it's going to set off a firework in the house. And this is a lesson to show that you should never play with fireworks. They can cause serious fires and even explode property. So it should happen starting like right now. It's still going. You can see the fuse slowly but surely going to the firework. Yep. Should happen starting like right now. So this is what happened when you light a firework inside your house. This is why you should never light a firework inside your house. Everything burns down and turns into ash. Look at that. That's the remains of your house if you light firework there. Okay, hi guys. These guys are actually like versions of the doom booms with little firework hats. If you don't know what doom boom is, I'm just going to show it for you. These are all of the events 2021 to 2024 mixed together. What the sigma? What the sigma? Bro. What the sigma? Let's just put a tiny little muzzle as the beginning. Yeah, my calculations are correct. That should set off all the fireworks. Probably, possibly. I don't know. This is my favorite light. Come on.
She forgot to take Nathan to sleep yesterday when she went. She wants to take him to sleep and she wants to stop at grocery outfit.
Dude, oh. I accidentally closed it. If you guys didn't know, I actually have an auto clicker that I can use that actually works. And no, it's not one of those viruses. It's actually an auto clicker that works.
Oh, I know exactly what she's doing. Yeah. It's fucking hot outside. Yeah, oh shit. That's why I'm staying in here. I was gonna go clean up the air tank so you could remove it, and I was like, ugh. I did order a new carpet.
Oh yeah, that's stuff. Okay.
And I'm gonna go for all those plastic blades, and then I'm gonna get those saw blades. They look like saw blades. Oh, the little plastic. Like the metal one. I have a lot of plastic ones to get through. Those little plastic blades. Whole pack of them.
This is an example of how strong the auto clicker is. $2021. Out for lunch. Now if I just break in. Okay, where's the doom boom? Just put this right here. Lighter, ignite. serious Sam? How serious is Sam though? Is that all? Okay, that wasn't very serious. Fight board. Do not do this at home. And that's why. Lose. Oh wait, I think you know what I'm gonna try and do here. Just rotate this, pointing that way. That should be the correct way I want it to go. Not good enough. What is something that actually works? Say hi to some Tim. Now let me out of here! Let me out of here! Now is there any place where instant just isn't instant? Oh, whoops, no. Shit. Okay. Mr. Beats. I think you're supposed to originate to Mr. Beast, but okay. Alright. Now we run all the way over there to over here. So this is like 1000 ms. I do like 1000 miles per second. But miles in this game I don't think are like very accurate, I don't think. So maybe not. So let's just check. Okay, so this is the line. I might have misunderestimated Miles in this game. What? All these are like YouTubers, so let's do all the YouTubers. Shout out to all these guys. Shout out to all the people that I'm lighting today. I would especially want myself in here, actually. Oh, oops. Can't forget PewDiePie and Jacksepticeye and Wilson. Who's Wilson? I actually haven't heard of that guy. Let's light all of them together. All of them are YouTubers. I would especially like myself to be in here. Like I said. Woo! And my firework would just be more chaotic than Tim. Like more chaotic than like 3 Tims together. This is how chaotic 3 Tims are, and I want mine to be more chaotic than all of these combined. I wonder how Mozzies look like. I think this is actually gonna look kinda sick. And you, my friend, will be the starting point. I want my firework to be like Let's Get It Out style. Like it just goes off, you look in the sky and the first thing you see in the game is just this. And then there's just like a giant explosion. And this is like how I want mine. So like it's gonna be like the strings of 2 of these, and then like 5 of these. Then there's gonna be like, what is it like? 2 of these, 3, 4 of these, and then this, and then 2 of these. So kind of like this. It just has a red pointy hat, and then it's just purple with a red face. Like a purple head with a red face, and then its outer case is purple too. And then the head also has like a red top hat. Maybe I'll put like a post on my channel showing like what it would look like. Anyway, bye guys, and I'll see you guys next time!